The National Weather Service in Washington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for King County in west central Washington, Pierce County in west Washington, Snohomish County in west Washington, Spokane County in eastern Washington, Clark County in southwest Washington, Yakima County in south central Washington, Thurston County in west central Washington, until 3:47 p.m. At 1:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Rainier, moving southeast at 12 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for King County, Pierce County, Snohomish County, Spokane County, Clark County, Yakima County, Thurston County. Hazard, 60 over 65 mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source, radar-indicated threat. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for the following counties in Washington: King, Pierce, Snohomish, Spokane, Clark, Yakima, and Thurston.